Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Equinox. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855318. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this red covering here. Now you want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing is, make sure you install the mount onto the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. Now this mount is going to attach into two different seams. They're both along this chrome edge around the vent here. So the first one is on this side, between the chrome and the soft part, and the other is on this side between the chrome and the soft part. So the first thing you want to do is take that rightmost edge, and we're just going to insert it into here. And then you kind of want to rotate the mount around so the lip goes underneath that soft part. Once you have it on, you just need to press down on the faceplate on this side so the other edge snaps into the left seam. There you go. Now it's in place. You have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.